Guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video on this Fiat 500. Now, the previous video I did the gear linkage. In this video here, I'm investigating an oil leak, which is pretty, significant, I guess. To the point where there's no oil on the dipstick, so it's leaking quite a lot. The engine is pretty saturated. I covered it off, cleaned it off with brake cleaner, and if you have a look inside now, I have started stripping down. And today we are going to be doing a rocker cover gasket replacement on this car. So stay tuned and let's go step by step of how to do it. Alright, so second job on this car. This is the Fiat 500. It has a leaky rocker cover. Now, first of all, I noticed an awful lot of oil down the back here. The throttle body was saturated in oil and all down the front of the block, and I've cleaned it all off with brake cleaner. Now, down the back, it's probably not solely to do with the rock cover. There is on the back of the air filter a little breather, and this hose over here was disconnected, so that probably doesn't help. But it's not great because it is leaking. So, manufacturer's got it same day delivery. I had to collect it from Birkenhead, so it's going to be like 1:30ish by the time I get it. So I'm going to clean it all up, get it all prepared, ready. The coil has to come off, or the coil pack, so that's one little plug that'll lift off and pull off. Let's do one-handed maybe. And then I've got an earth lead, I've got this bracket needs to come off, I've got these connectors over here need to come off, this pipe here could do with coming off, I could do a Jubilee or something for underneath, a couple of brackets, the top of the cam cover needs to come off. You can see here and over here the looks like the top of some bolts. Potentially they are locating pins, but I think they're going to be the bottom end of a bolt coming through. With that off, you've then got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts at the front, same as the rest of the back, and that rock cover will lift off. I was to clean it all up, cover it over, and await the bits to arrive. I'm going to suggest potentially whilst I'm doing this, we're doing oil and filter change as well, just to make sure it's all fresh when it goes back together, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that will rectify this leaking issue. So yeah, 1, 2, 3 for the coil pack. Got a plug there, plug here, bracket, earth strap, and then the bolts across the top. I'm going to see about not taking this off, but I think, as I say, that's going to be a cover. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I haven't got to remove the cam on this, because if I have to remove the cam, it's going to be an absolute nightmare. It looks like the gasket just goes around, across, and that's it. But sometimes they go underneath the camshaft. I'm hoping this one here goes up and over the camshaft. That's my hope, that's my prayer, and we'll have to see what happens. It might even get to the end and have like a seal on the end, but I don't know. Until we get it off, I need to find out. So yeah, that's where we're at. Should be a relatively nice, straightforward thing. Probably everything comes together. So you got 10mm, maybe actually not quite 13, maybe 11 or 12. 3 of them, and the rest of them look like they're either 10s or 8s to come apart. A couple of these connectors. See this one here? It's got a little yellow that to stop it from pushing down. So that needs to be pushed up before I can press that button down. But other than that, let's get disassembling and get it ready to be removed. I think it might just be tight. Right, check this out. So around this side, where the cam cover is, I'm trying to work out how to get it off, and then I've just realised there's a bolt in there, behind the sticker. Wow. Nah. Yeah. There we go. Rocker cover's off. Gasket's going to come off next. I'm going to leave it on until it's the new part's here. Lovely. Put this back on then, rest it in place. Right, perfect. Okay, so things progressed a little bit somewhat yesterday, and for the eagle-eyed viewers among us, you realise that, well, this section here has been redone. So yesterday, following the removal of the rocker cover, I discovered that the cam belt was pretty age-cracked, so I have done a cam belt water pump tensioner, which I haven't filmed, but that has now been done. So I do have my new seal. So rocker cover needs to come off, gasket needs to be fitted up, and then I can then reassemble all of the engine and hopefully get it started. That's the plan anyway. So let's lift this off. Got a nice little recess for it to sit into, and I can take this. Oh. So this is where the leak was coming from, just underneath this this seal really. Just need to clean the face up. Once it's lifted, it should start to peel pretty easily, as you can see. There we go. Old one is now off, and the new one can be opened up, and I'm going to try and fit it into here. It goes up over this side and down underneath. Which way does this go then? it's quite handy. There are little lugs or cutouts on the cover itself, or the valve cover, cam cover if you will, that have recesses sit into it, so that's working out really nicely. So I just need to make sure it's all in place, it's not sticking out anywhere or unlikely to not fit as I flip it over. And obviously this needs to sit right nicely in the housing, as does this bit here. It needs to sit nicely on or in the recess here. So just get a cloth, clean everything down so it's nice and dry, and then we can get this new gasket or this new seal fitted up. I'm going to put these in. Now they need to be torqued up in series. I think it's like really low numbers, something like 4 Newton meters to start, then go around again. And when you're clamping down a item like this, you need to go across the board and say, right, well, I'm going to do a star pattern, so here, 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 you know, so you're not just clamping all the pressure down in one point to start with. Okay, I think that's a... No, I'm not going anywhere near tight with this. It's just to wind them in. Okay, let's get the torque wrench up. Let's torque these down. Okay, I'm going to start with 5 Newton meters. That's 10 Newton meters. is get. See where we go. Beautiful. What a lovely little job that is. Right, we got the engine warm up a little bit. I'm going to drain the oil, change the filter, do a coolant flush, because I've drained the coolant for the water pump, and then yeah, job's done. Right, here we go. So Fiat 500 is now finished, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Leave a thumbs up button, comment down below, and on to the next one. But now, this is done, so very, very pleased. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Take it easy.